You saw me on the television, setting fire to all the buildings.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a different video. I'm transforming my old jeans into like a cute skirt and a top. It's really nice, and this is the tip that I can share with you. If you don't want your old jeans, you don't have to throw them away. You have to transform them into something good and nice. So right now I'm just cutting the legs. As you can see, I had to cut on where I had already cut if you know what I mean. And now I'm just using the unpicker to remove the stitches, like to kind of separate the jeans, the legs. So you have to go in between the legs and you separate the jeans. And now I'm done separating. This is simple and easy, and you just have to like fold it the opposite way, and I'm trying to cut it out. Okay, now it's off to stitching my skirt up. Okay, I didn't want to use this machine because it had like a yellow thread. I hate I hate threading a machine, guys. So yeah, this one had already like the black thread was already there, so I had to use this one, and I was just stitching my skirt up to make it into a skirt. It's really simple. You can even use your hands. Okay, I had to use a machine because I was so lazy, but if you don't have a machine, you just have to use your needle, and it's good. So right now I'm just checking to see if the skirt is like good, and I'm just trimming off the edges. Now I'm just cutting the skirt up. Okay, I'm just kind of like cutting those. Okay, I don't know what they're called, but I want to make those frills, like those tear jeans frills that I always make. You know, like even if you have an old jean, you just have to do this to kind of make them ripped and all. This is the technique that I always use, and it always works. So you'll see what I'm going to do here. Like it's really nice, and it works like magic. Okay, what you see me doing now is to kind of make it look good. If you do this, or if you put like water, you sprinkle a little bit of water, and then, or maybe you wash it, the frills will be good, and yeah, they'll look like they're from the store. They'll look natural. So right now I had to take the legs, and I'm just cutting them up to make the top that I want to make. Just cut your leg. Okay, the first one I had to use unpicker, but the second one I had to cut because I was too lazy to, do that. So Now the top is done. I just want to cut and make it a little bit shorter because it was long, and I want to make to just cut and make frills just like what I did on the skirt, to make it look uniform and to make it look nice. And it came out really nice, guys. This is the final look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you do this to your old jeans and make them look cute and make them look nice. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.